Today's release day, Saturday. We got a new pair of Air Jordans that released today, and I'm gonna go surprise my fiance's little brother with this sneaker and give it to him for completely free. He thinks that I have the sneaker in hand in a size 10 and that he's gonna try them on and hope that they fit him, and then he's gonna go ahead and pay me retail price for the sneaker. He doesn't know that it's actually a size 10.5, which is actually his real size, so they're gonna fit him, and I'm just gonna give him the shoe. I'm not taking money from him at all. I'm gonna give it to him, a complete gift, giving him some sneakers, surprising him with these sneakers. He has no idea that I'm just gonna give it to him, let him try them on, wear them, enjoy them, and they're his. He's not giving me money. Dom, shout out to you, brother. I love you. Let's go ahead. Let's go surprise you with some new Jordans. Let me know if you guys cop these today. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you guys wound up enjoying this video. Subscribe to the channel so that I can give away more sneakers for free. Hit that thumbs up if you guys love giveaways. And let's go surprise Dom. All right, Dom, here we go. We got the Jordan 11s that you've been waiting for.
Yes,
check
sir.
them out. Make sure they fit. Let me know what you think. Let YouTube know what you think.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Legend Blue 11 lows. Sexy. Wow.
They're nice, right?
Yeah, they are really nice.
Try them on. They're nice, right?
Yeah,
You keeping them?
very nice. Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Did you try for them today or no?
No, you told me not to.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fit like a dream. Yeah.
Fit?
Very nice.
They fit?
Yes, sir.
Now, Dom, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Take a look at size there on the box.
Maybe they're here.
No, I got it. Oh, you got a 10.5? Where did you get a 10.5 from?
They're 10.5.
They're 10.5?
I messed up when I ordered them. The receipt's right there. When I ordered them off Offspring, I thought that it was a it's a 9.5 UK. I thought that meant a size 10. It's
yeah.
a 10.5, man.
Wow, look at that. See, everything happens for a reason. Ooh, I finally got a pair of 11s. Look at that.
Very nice.
Nice, right?
Very clean for the
You're
summer.
not giving me
Yeah.
money, they're yours.
Oh, thank you, bro. Really, I appreciate that. Thank you.
There you go.
You overpaid like hell on these too.
Don't worry about what I paid. Worry about you enjoying the shoe. That's all that matters.
I appreciate that, bro.
They're all yours, brother.
Trippy as hell. Thank you so much.
They're comfortable? They're good?
Oh yeah, they are comfortable. They're a lot more comfortable than Jordan ones. I'll tell you that.
Yeah. Cool,
Yes,
cool,
sir.
cool. Enjoy them.
Very nice. Thank
They're
you.
yours.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Nice summer shoes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor. I need
Yeah.
a thumbnail.
Oh yeah, I'll get you a good thumbnail.
All right, there you guys go.
Also, I biked here, so I can't really take them home.
Okay.
So I'm leaving soon anyway.
So
if
you want me to just bring
yeah,
them back
just
and
just
stop
leave,
at your house?
Yeah, just leave them on my front porch.
Well.
I'm like leaving soon.
I'll beat your sister later anyway. Oh no, probably tomorrow. She's working. She's working. All right, no
There you
problem.
go. Carbon fiber.
There you go. Jordan
Yes,
11s.
sir.
Increment
Very
down.
nice.
Enjoy them. All yours.
I will. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate that.
No problem, brother.
Very nice shoe.
Thank you.
I had to buy your shoes. Sneakerhead, gotta buy another sneakerhead shoe.
Yeah. I don't have enough shoes to call myself a sneakerhead.
There you go. Wear them, enjoy them. Don't sell them.
I will not sell them.
YouTube, I forgot to tell you, he hit on the Armor Mania Air Jordan 3s.
I took 21 or 22 straight L's off of the Confirmed app, Sneakers app, Nike Foot Locker Finish Line, all those. 21 straight L's, and I finally hit on Ama Minier's website.
It's a big W.
It is a very big W.
Big W. I caught myself. You guys know already. Unboxed and showed off the shoe. But yeah, we both copped. Awesome.
Got very lucky.
You're selling
after
them, right?
that.
You're selling them, right?
Oh, yeah,
I'll help you sell them.
100%.
If you're interested, I'll help you guys. I'll help you sell them. Don't worry about that.
12
Fine.
women's,
Yeah.
10.5 men's.
Dope, dope,
Got
dope.
personal, yes,
All right,
sir.
brother. I'm gonna get home, edit up this video, enjoy them.
I will. Thank you, bro. I appreciate
Very
it.
nice.
No problem. Buy the dip on this sneaker investment now before it's too late. You guys absolutely loved my last video on buying the dip on the Jordan 1s. So in this video, we're going to do a buy the dip video on this pair of sneakers. This Jordan sold out. There's a lot of hype for it. This was a tough Jordan to get, and resell is very nice. However, it's gonna go up. It's gonna skyrocket. Buy the dip now. The dip is here. Buy the dip now on this Jordan before it's too late. We have a Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 giveaway going on. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. You can also leave a comment down below for a bonus entry. I'll be picking a winner in just a few days on May 11th for this pair, brand new size 8. Good luck. You guys killed the like goal on last video, 500 likes, so I will be announcing a brand new Air Jordan 1 giveaway right after the Hyper Royal giveaway. If you're excited for this new Jordan 1 giveaway, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video up to 500 likes as well. So that's the goal for this video, 500 likes. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's unbox this Jordan sneaker investment that I paid a great price for. The dip is here, guys. Buy the dip now before it's too late, because this sneaker is guaranteed to go up in price, especially in this size. Right here we have a size 7Y. I bought a grade school pair of this pair of sneakers for $180. Retail is $150. You can get pairs for around $200, which is a great price. They're going to see $350 soon. It's not going to take too long. This is a great hold. This is a great Jordan investment. Make this sneaker investment now before it's too late. Buy the dip now on the Air Jordan 4 University Blue in grade school sizes specifically. This right here is a grade school pair, size 7. I did pick this up from my friend Peter. Shout out to Peter. He took another W on the Nike sneakers app, so that's awesome. He hooked me up for $180. He paid $150. They're going for around $200 in the grade school sizes. Size 5 through 7 is mainly what you want to go after. The bigger sizes are easier to sell when it comes to grade school. All grade school will go up. Men's also will go up. However, I think men's might take a little bit longer. This is more of a grade school investment in this one. Guys, buy this now. This is going to be a great Air Jordan 4 investment, a great sneaker investment that you need to buy now before it's too late. Buy the dip now. Let me explain why I think this Jordan is going to go up in price. The colorway, the UNC Blue. That is a huge bonus. It's the Jordan 4. Guys, the Jordan 4 has been a great hold. A great hold in a lot of cases, especially Fire Red 4s. A lot of Jordan 4s have been great holds as of recently. This is going to be no exception. The Topaz 4s, great holds. The Jordan 4, it's right after the Jordan 1 right now. Hold your Jordan 4s. This is going to be a great hold. The colorway, the University Blue. Take a look at the details. Right, the suede quality, very nice, high quality suede. The grade school, they did a great job. Grade school quality is just as good as men's. They did a really good job. Very, very nice, great quality. I love the colorway, I love the materials used, and they're very reminiscent of the Travis Scott Jordan 4 that we all know is over $1,000. They're similar, not the same, but if you can't get this because it's too much, this is very, very close and a lot cheaper. These are undervalued in my opinion. These are around $200 in the grade school. They're gonna see $350 in the next few months. I don't think it'll take long at all. I feel like this was a more limited sneaker than people think it was, especially in the grade school sizes. These were not easy to get your hands on. These are undervalued and they're gonna do well. They're gonna do well. They're easily gonna see that $300 to $350, even $400. Guys, this is a great sneaker investment that I think you should make now. Buy the dip while it's here. They did dip a little bit after people got their pairs in hand because the release was a few weeks ago. However, people are still getting pairs, right? People are still getting pairs in hand from the release. Also, they're still going to restock. Of course, we know late shipments, everything going on. The dip is here. It's gonna stay for a little bit, not too long though. This will be a very good, quick hold. I see maybe 4 or 5 months, 6 months the latest, and they go up a nice solid $100. So if you have a few pairs, you have capital, this is a great Jordan to invest in. This is a great sneaker investment, especially in the grade school sizes. Let me know what you guys think about the University Blue Air Jordan 4. If you did pick up a pair when they dropped, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. I want to see who copped and who did not. If you didn't cop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped, man. This is a dope Air Jordan 4. These are very, very dope. Now that people have them in hand, I want to know, if you do have them in hand, what do you think about the tag, you know, that it does come off? Is that a big factor? Let me know what you think about that down below. This is a clean Air Jordan 4. This is a great sneaker investment that will go up in price. Buy the dip now while it's here on the University Blue Air Jordan 4s. These will do numbers in the near future. A few days left for the Hyper Royal giveaway. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, give me a follow over on Instagram, and DM me proof that you did everything. I'll be picking a winner on May 11th. Good luck, just a few days left for Hyper Royal's brand new size 8. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. I will be announcing a brand new sneaker giveaway right after this giveaway ends for another pair of Air Jordan 1s. Let me know what you guys think about the University Blue 4s. Are they going to go up? Let me know what you think about resale on these down below in the comments. I love to hear from you guys, and I will be reading the comments. So please, guys, leave a comment down below. Interact. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the University Blue Air Jordan 4s. And if anybody has a size 10.5 or an 11 out there, shoot me a DM. I'm looking for a personal pair. They're very, very fire. Let me know what you guys think about the University Blue 4s. Great investment. That's going to do well. Buy the dip now while it's here and hold them. This is a great sneaker investment. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.